Hi there, and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether chatbots and AI tools like ChatGPT will make project managers go the same way as the dinosaurs. Extinct. This is a topic that's been on the minds of many in the project management community, and it's an important question to think about. To start, let's first understand what a project manager actually does. A project manager is responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects, and ensuring that they are completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. They manage and lead the project team, coordinate tasks, manage risks, and communicate with a variety of stakeholders. So, can chatbots like ChatGPT replace project managers? The short answer is no. While chatbots and AI can certainly automate certain aspects of project management, such as scheduling, reporting, and task tracking, they can't replace the human elements that are critical to the success of a project. For example, chatbots can't yet effectively manage relationships with stakeholders, resolve conflicts, or make decisions in complex or unpredictable situations. Project managers also play a crucial role in motivating and inspiring the project team, which is currently beyond even the best AI bots. Additionally, project managers bring valuable experience, expertise, and judgment to the table, which can be critical for making informed decisions and navigating challenging situations. AI chatbots may have access to data and information, but they lack the ability to apply human judgment and creativity to solve complex problems. It's also important to note that chatbots can't replace the emotional intelligence and empathy that project managers bring to their role. Building trust and rapport with stakeholders is essential for project success, and this requires a human touch that chatbots just can't provide. In conclusion, while chatbots like ChatGPT can certainly play a valuable role in supporting project management, they can't replace project managers entirely. At least not yet. The human elements of project management are simply too important to be replaced by technology. Project managers will continue to play a critical role in ensuring that projects are completed successfully, and that stakeholders' needs are met well into the future. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the role of chatbots in project management. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.